from now on I should go to bed early. Make good decision. Is to drink tap water for a month. I'm gonna go and shower, but I think from now on I should go to bed early because I've been going to bed at 12 o'clock and have to wake up at 6 to get ready for school. Like, I don't feel good. I feel really tired, and when I'm in class I feel really sleepy. I'm gonna stop. I think from today going I'm gonna start going to bed at 10 o'clock because I really need to sleep longer and be really rested when I wake up to go to school, you know, instead of being half-ass, like half rested, half not rested. Because right now, what I really wanted to do right now, go back and sleep and like get my whole hours of sleeping, but I can't because I have to go to school. And I think I'm already late because right now I'm gonna get at 7 o'clock and I have to leave the house at 7:10 and haven't even showered. So yeah, that's not the plan. But anyways, I'll go and shower real quick. Okay, it's 7:16. I have to leave in 4 minutes. But let me check something. Maybe this Friday I'll wash my hair, but it's a maybe because I'm not sure. I haven't washed my hair in a while. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What time is it? Okay. 18.
So it can be very dangerous in terms of messing up the units. But essentially, area should be meters squared, the distance should be meters. You're gonna use the epsilon dot with coulomb. Okay, so here's kind of like the movement from 5 out here to 6, and then back to 5. All right, let's see, and pretty good.
Just got home and microwaved myself some food. I'm gonna eat it. I'll take a nap definitely because I'm so sleepy. I'll take a nap, then later on today I will study. I have homework due tomorrow night. Our exams are approaching. So yeah, this is what I'm eating today. A lunch / breakfast. Yeah.
俺と死なずが二人で相手してやるとしよう。行くぞ。二人なんてずるいな。いつでもどうぞ。
us, the case, I factor K. The voltage is the same, so that means the charge is going to be I factor K. It applies to most materials used. There are many materials that don't have a linear relationship. Decrease the resistance down to 1, so I got a much smaller number. I still get a linear relationship. So anything that has a linear current and voltage relationship is going to be called an ohmic device. And most of your resistors are going to be that way. And I'll be crossing my fingers for you on Monday. And it'll be a tough weekend, July 4th and everything going on. It's going to be lousy weather tomorrow. Perfect day to do some study.
Hi guys, so I am at work right now. I'm about to go inside in a couple of minutes. So yeah, the weather today is really nice. Like it looks like it's about to rain. It's not overly cold or overly hot. It's just like the perfect weather. But yeah, I'm gonna go to work. Happy 4th. It's 4th of July and it's raining outside. Isn't that crazy? Like, how are people going to light their fireworks if it's raining? I don't even know. I was thinking of going to, oh my gosh, my chair won't stop squeaking. I was planning on going to those like firework event and watch some fireworks, but I don't even know if it's gonna happen today, because even though it's raining, I haven't checked the weather, but I don't think it's gonna stop for the whole day, so that's kind of crazy. But anyways, I am just gonna go ahead with my plans for today. I'm going to write in my journal, then I'll get some breakfast, and after that I'll do some studying. I have an exam coming up soon for my summer class. Also, I have 1 month left for my summer class. Isn't that crazy? The month of July is gonna be a really hectic month and a really fun month. I have a lot of video ideas because of a lot of things happening in July. I had an idea of what I'm gonna write in my journal for today, but it's like it slipped out of my mind. Okay, I think I slightly remember. Basically, I was reading. Oh, okay. So I watched Demon Slayer final episode on Crunchyroll, and Crunchyroll, is it Crunchyroll or Crunchyroll? Anyways, so after that, I could not wait for them to upload like the next season. I went up and searched up the manga, and now I'm reading it. Oh, so yeah, I think you can learn a lot from anime, and it's just so good. So as I'm reading it, and I'm like, you know, they are really saying good words in there. I think I took a screenshot of some of the good words that they say, and I think for my journal today, that was what I was gonna write about, but I totally forgot. to read off what I wrote in my journal. It's nothing personal. It's just, I just wrote what is on my mind right now, which is nothing personal. Anyways, I'm just gonna read it. Okay, so I said, the past is in the past. What you can change right now is the future. If you keep making the same mistake, you will destroy your future. Make good decision, because good decision will give good future. Yesterday was the past. Tomorrow is the future. Once again, you can't change the past. You can only change the future if you work hard and stop making lame excuses. Okay, that's all. That is what I wrote in my journal. Now I'm gonna go and get something to eat.
Let's go. Ovviamente fa male perché non tutti conoscono la mia situazione. Ho lavorato tanto su esclusivi. Perché non adattiamo la partenza alle tue caratteristiche?
Meters. The other athletes are gone.
Oggi sta traditionally a fast.
Noah's start is not great.
Mi alleno tutto l'anno e tutti i giorni per fare le gare. Quindi per me non gareggiare
One of my goals for July is to drink tap water for a month. It's so, doesn't even taste good. I'm doing like bottle of water detox. Okay, enough jokes. Steady, yeah? I don't really feel like studying.